Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about Confluence and how to incorporate Confluence in your trading. And Confluence when trading is powerful. I'm Jerry from Value Trading. Confluence has to do with having one, extra, two or more factors to support your trading bias. So if your decision is to buy the market, you are looking for something extra to support your buy. Your decision is to short the market, you're looking for something extra. 2, 3 extra factors to support your sales. So what I'm not going to be talking about an extra moving average or an extra support and resistance lines. No, I'm going to be talking about things that might not be in your charts. But when you master and understand them and inculcate them in your trading, you increase the odds of your trades working out tremendously. The first thing I'm going to be talking about today is fundamental analysis. You must have an understanding of fundamental analysis. You must understand the global macro picture. You must understand the economy or the currencies or the asset classes you trade. So if you're trading bonds, you must understand the bond market and the effect of the global economy, the effect of central banks, the effect of governments, the effect of fiscal policy, the effect of monetary policy affecting the asset classes that you trade. So the second thing I'm talking about, or the second confluence factor you want to add to your trade to support your trading bias, is sentiment analysis. And sentiment cannot be over exaggerated. Sentiment is so powerful. Yeah, value flow trading, one of our core methods of trading is sentiment analysis. You must understand how the markets, sentiment has to do with how the markets are feeling, how investors are feeling about a particular asset or a particular commodity, a particular stock or currency pair that you trade. So sentiment involves when you begin to study sentiment, you hear things about fear and greed. You begin to study things about investor sentiment, risk on, risk off. When you study sentiment analysis, when you begin to understand it, you begin to discover that certain asset classes go up in bad times, and that same asset class can go up in good times. The same way certain asset classes go down in bad times, and in good times, those asset classes go up. So when you study sentiment analysis, it tremendously increases the odds of your trade working out. Sentiment is super powerful. And the third thing I'll be talking about today is intermarket analysis. And for sentiment, I'm going to intermarket analysis because they are intertwined. But intermarket analysis basically has to do with the relationship of asset classes. When one asset class behaves this way, we expect another asset class to do the opposite or even the same thing. When you study the market relationship, it keeps you out of losing trade. Because if you understand that when this market goes up, it tends to drag this market with it. You would definitely not want to be caught trading the market, trading that way. You would most likely not be caught on the opposite side of the trade if you understand intermarket analysis. It not only helps you take good trades, it also prevents you from entering bad trades. Intermarket analysis is key. Now, the fourth type of analysis, of course, is technical analysis. But let me emphasize, you want to study, you want to learn super high probability, superior technical analysis. You don't just want to settle for support and resistance lines or just settle for chart patterns and just candlestick patterns. Don't get me wrong, those things work. Of course they do, but you want something superior. You want to understand in depth of technical analysis, because technical analysis is like they help give you the framework or build the bridge of where you are now and where you want to go to. So you don't just want to come into the market with just basic concept. So to wrap up in summary, your Confluence should inculcate fundamental analysis, how interest rates, how inflation, how monetary policy, how fiscal policy affects your assets, your stock, your currency pair, the commodity that you trade. The next thing you want to understand and add to your trading is sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is powerful. You want to study sentiment, understand it, and understand risk off, what is driving the markets, what sentiment is driving the market today, sentiment driving the market this week, sentiment driving the market this month. You want to understand it and you want to bring it into your trading. Then you move to intermarket analysis. When this asset class goes up, it tends to drag this currency pair with it. When this commodity goes down, it tends to drag this currency pair with it downward. You want to study it, you want to understand it. You want to learn the relationships of different markets that are correlated positively or inversely. And then lastly, you want to master superior technical analysis so that you inculcate it in your trading. When you carry all these ingredients into your trading, you make the same way you cook. and you make a sumptuous meal. It's the same way you make high probability trade with concrete backing. This is what actual and real confluence looks like. And that will be all for today. I remain Jerry Great from Valuable Trading. Cheers and good luck and good trading.